nursery. Six little apples. Six little apples and in a tree. Six little apples flying at me. I shook the tree as hard as I could. Down came the apples. They were good. Now I'm gonna sing a different song, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna. The farmer in the dell. Let's take a look. The farmer in the dell. The farmer in the dell. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child. The child takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. It's a spider. That is it's a big spider. It's a big spider climb up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the poor spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout again. I want to sing different things too. Hey diddle diddle. Hey diddle diddle. The cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such joy, and the dish ran away with the spoon. I'm going to do this one too. If you're happy and you know, if you're happy, okay. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, if you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and